Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we will see how Priyansi is reacting towards her father's snoring. You can see she is playing and her father is sleeping here. When he snores, so the Priyansi gets afraid of. She is getting more afraid and she also try to talk with me. Hello Priyansi. Hi, my cute baby. Please laugh. Please laugh. Hey, hey. So how she is moving her hand and leg, and now she is playing. So we can see she is playing, but when sometimes she gets irritated and crying. Her father wake up and will uh, take her. So you can see, so her father try to stop crying, but she is not uh, getting stop. Now she will talk. You see, नहीं जा नहीं जा नहीं जा नहीं जा नहीं जा
মূর্তি দিয়েছি
So now she will be comfortable and will not cry. So there is a Ganesh Mahaprabhu's teddy hanging there, that was gifted by my sister, younger sister, to Goodly, to Priyansi. That is a picture of my younger sister. What was in the form of a print out. So I put it on the wall, and my Betty, my daughter, now playing with her father. So you can see how the affection between a father and a daughter, it's really very attractive. Her father is watching towards some scratches done by her own nails in her face. So the Priyansi is now 1 month and 15 days old. So now she can understand something what we talk, and she sometimes laughs, sometimes cries. Now her father put her in their soldier and move her so that she will enjoy more. In this way, her father taking care of Priyansi. So how is the video? So please you tell how you are taking care of your child. We are taking in this way. We are playing. We are enjoying a lot with our cute and little daughter Priyansi. So you can say, or if any comment, you can comment me. Thank you friends. We will meet in the next video.